In this video, you'll learn how to edit an organization in Pipedrive quickly and accurately. Keeping organization details up to date helps maintain clean data and ensures your team can easily manage and track company information. Start from your main dashboard and navigate to the Contacts section using the left-hand sidebar. Once inside Contacts, look at the left panel and select Organizations. This view is specifically designed for managing company records, making it easier to keep your data structured and consistent. Next, locate the organization you want to edit. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find it more quickly. Click on the organization to open its Details page. On the Details page, you'll see the main fields on the left-hand side, including the organization name, address, phone number, website, and any other standard or custom fields your team uses. This layout allows you to quickly access and update important information. To edit a field, hover your cursor over the detail you want to change. A small pencil icon, Edit, will appear next to it. Click the pencil icon to enable editing, then enter the updated information. Take a moment to ensure the details are accurate and properly formatted, especially for organization names and addresses, as these are important for search, filtering, and reporting. When you're finished, click Save to apply your changes. The updates will be saved immediately and visible to anyone on your team with access to that organization. If you don't see the Edit option, you may need to check your permissions or confirm with an admin that you have the necessary access rights. Keeping organization data clean and accurate helps your team stay organized and make better decisions across the pipeline.